Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to hide application on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Some applications may contain personal or sensitive information, such as banking apps, messaging apps, or dating apps. And then by hiding these applications can help protect your privacy and prevent unauthorized access to your personal data. Okay, here are the steps. First thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Well, after that, please scroll down and then select home screen option. Well, in this page, you can scroll a little bit and then you can choose hide apps option here. Okay, so now you can choose which application you want to hide on your device. For the example, camera. Well, and then click down, and then let's check it. Okay, so now the camera application on my device is successfully hidden. Okay, and then the way to unhide the apps, you can go to the settings menu. Please scroll down here, and then select home screen option. Okay, after that, choose hide apps option. Okay, now you can tap on the app like this to unhide them. And then click done. Well, that's the tutorial on how to hide application on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.